Welcome to our video on Bitcoin and taxes, what you must understand before filing. As the popularity of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies continues to grow, it's important to understand the tax implications of investing in these digital assets. In this video, we'll cover the basics of Bitcoin taxation and provide some tips to help you stay compliant with the law. First, let's talk about how Bitcoin is taxed. The IRS considers Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as property, which means that any gains or losses from buying, selling, or trading these assets are subject to capital gains tax. This tax applies to both short-term gains, assets held for less than a year, and long-term gains, assets held for more than a year. So, how do you fit in this picture? If you've made a profit from trading Bitcoin, you'll need to report that income on your tax return. On the other hand, if you've experienced a loss, you may be able to deduct that loss from your taxes. It's important to keep accurate records of all your Bitcoin transactions, including the date and price of each trade, to ensure that you're reporting your gains and losses correctly. Now let's talk about some tips for staying compliant with Bitcoin taxes. Keep a safe record of all your transactions. As we mentioned earlier, accurate record keeping is crucial for reporting your gains and losses correctly. Consider using a software program or app to help you track your Bitcoin trades. Just remember Bitcoin through mining. If you've earned Bitcoin through mining, that income is also subject to taxation. You'll need to report the fair market value of the Bitcoin you've mined as income on your tax return. Have you thought about working with a tax expert? If you're unsure about how to report your Bitcoin gains and losses, or if you've experienced a significant amount of income from trading, it may be wise to work with a tax professional who has experience with cryptocurrency taxation. In conclusion, understanding the tax implications of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is crucial for staying compliant with the law. By keeping accurate records and working with a tax professional if necessary, you can ensure that you're reporting your Bitcoin gains and losses correctly. Thanks for being in tune with us today. Let's enjoy this Bitcoin ride while keeping safe from Uncle Sam.